In today's video, I'll show you how to block and prevent access to pornographic websites on your phone. It can be a real issue when we lend our phones to friends, family, or even our children, and they can easily stumble upon inappropriate content. But don't worry, I have a 100% working solution for you. Before we get started, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Now let's dive in. If I search for porn sites on Google, you can see how easily they come up. But with one simple setting on your phone, you can block these sites forever. First, go to your phone settings. Click Connections. Tap on More Connection Settings, and you will see this private DNS option. If you can't find the exact option I mentioned, don't worry, I'll show you an alternative method. Go back to Settings, use the search function to find private DNS. Now tap on it. Next, click on and enter the following address, adult-filter-dns.cleanbrowsing.org. Now click Save. Now let's test it out. Go back and search again. You'll be surprised to find that the porn sites are blocked, and you won't see any explicit content. By following these simple steps, you can easily block and prevent access to porn sites on your phone forever.